Alright, so my package from the Muskoka Paddle Shack, Gravenhurst, Ontario, showed up today. I placed an order online, I think it was like 2 days ago. It's here already. Let's open her up, see what it is. Dun dun dun, co-pilot, co-pilot. The NRS co-pilot. Sweet. Look at that. Nice. This will be going on the life jacket. I ordered two. One's for a friend. Here's the second one. If anybody is interested in ordering any of these NRS co-pilot knives from the Paddle Shack, check out their website or check out one of my videos. Feel free to contact them and they will ship it to you. Close look. It's a nice rubber grip, solid steel right through. I'm sure it's made with a high quality. I'm not a co-pilot knife expert. I'm just showing you guys. This clip goes in on the life jacket. Quick access. Can't stab yourself or stab the person, but you can slice very sharp. Side to side, quick snap back in. Like I say, I got this at the Paddle Shack, Muskoka Paddle Shack in Gravenhurst, Ontario. Shipped it out right away. Here's green. I know he has the pilot there as well, which is a bigger knife. Okay, let's look at how to install the co-pilot knife onto here. So first, remove it. It's a trick, butter knife. In through here. Catch under here, and you kind of guide it through together. Once you get started, you pull it out. Make sure you catch it underneath. When you work it, it's caught on the, there you go. There, see how it sits through? Now it's caught right in complete. Now she ain't gonna go anywhere. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove this knife case. Push it as far forward to get this gap here. And then hold it pushed forward. And when you come in with your knife, you pry it up. It's strong, it'll handle it. And you just catch. See how I was just catching it there? Catch there. And then you push right up. Just so it clears it. You pull her through, there you go. Knife. It's on, it's installed on my nice Salis jacket. It's a 3-piece, very nice jacket. Picked that up at the Muskoka Paddle Shack. These are made here in Canada at Kitchener. But anyways, so if you have the knife this way, it tends to flex down a bit much, so it's better to have it this way. Gravity feeds it, holds it, sits nice or smooth. You can put it any which way you'd like, all the way around. Easy access for it. This is one of these things where I have this knife strictly for safety reasons. Quick access. I can cut tow line. If somebody's life jacket's stuck on a rock or something, I can quickly cut it. It's pointless, so it won't stab. You might slice somebody. The sides are extremely sharp, but it's more of a safety knife is what these are for kayakers, boaters. But anyways, there's so much more info. Very good knife. Like I said, I picked it up at the paddle shack and they shipped it out free of charge. So thank you, Muskoka Paddle Shack, and hope this video helps anybody interested. Take care.